everyone. So I've seen a lot of you have watched my video on my iPod Touch first generation booting Android 1.6 Cupcake. And I've had so many messages and responses of people who wanted to know how I did it, if it's compatible with their device, etc. So I've decided to make a how-to video. First of all, it's iDroid is only currently compatible with iPod Touch 2G, 3G, or I'm sorry, iPhone 2G, 3G, and iPod Touch 1G. 2G doesn't work yet. It's almost done completing from what I've heard. Anyway, to get started, here we have a iPod Touch first generation. I just flashed its firmware, just fresh restore out of iTunes. So what you're going to do is make sure you have on the computer, you're going to need Black Rain and this folder with these in it, which I will post the link to download this in the comment section, or in the description. Anyway, so once you have those files, turn off your iPod, and holding down the home button, plug it in USB. Of course, this tutorial is for Mac. The tutorial for Windows should be pretty similar. If iTunes pops up, it's detected, blah, 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 blah. Now what you want to do is open Black Rain, and we're going to make it rain. Now we see GeoHot's face here. Enjoy your jailbroken iPhone. You didn't actually have to put it in recovery mode for that to work, I just realized, but you can if you want to. So now we're waiting for it to reboot, jailbreaking, all that yumminess. Alright, awesome. Turn it back on. Hopefully it won't crash on startup. Actually, if any of you also have an iPod Touch first generation, I would like to know if you have any problems with your device crashing on startup a lot. I've had that happen to me quite a number of times, like in the 30s number of times, as well as just randomly crashing during, like overly crashing. If that's happened to you, let me know, and then I won't know it's because something I did. But anyhow, once you're on, you should be like, oh yay. Next page, you have Black Rain, which is awesome. So we're going to turn on Wi-Fi. Alright. So hopefully that will connect with some Wi-Fi. Maybe. Or maybe I'll just drop it. Yeah, oh, there we go. Okay. Wi-Fi. Now we're going to open Black Rain, which is the app that just got installed after the exploit. It's loading installers. You want to install Cydia. You can install Rock too. I don't really like Rock. Yeah. So it's going to download Cydia. Unpacking Cydia. Hopefully it won't mess up in this tutorial. I am doing this from memory, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, cool. So now Cydia should be installed right there, which is awesome. So I'm just going to get the OpenSSH right now, instead of waiting for that later. Yeah. This may take a few, because it's an iPod Touch first generation, and they are slow. Alright, and so a little background of what you're going to need to know is you're going to need to know basically how to open terminal. I mean, the commands you're going to use are very simple. So you can quit out of Black Rain if you want. Very simple. So I'll walk you through them. If you know terminal commands, bash, that's great, but not essentially required. Still organizing. Oh, good. It stopped spinning. That either means it crashed or it's done. I'm gonna go with the first. Oh no. Good. All right. So you should now have Cydia, reorganized. Now you have to wait again. Just developer, no filters. Now it's to download all the releases and the databases and all the different wonderful packages and all the stuff you can get on a jailbroken iDevice. Oh, and make sure when you're jailbreaking your device, you're not using Spirit. It has to be jailbroken with Black Rain because the way that the jailbroke is done, Spirit's a user land level jailbreak, and Black Rain, that happens sometimes. Black Rain is a more lower level jailbreak, so it needs to be done on the lower level, so you have to use Black Rain. I'm using 3.1.2. Oh, good. I recommend doing the upgrade complete, but I'm not going to upgrade it all right now because I don't want to for the sake of the video. Search open SSH. It's an iPod Touch, so you got the slowness. Or the crashiness. Alright, open SSH. Tap install. More waiting. Alright, confirm. It's downloading open SSH and open SSL. And then it's depackaging them, all that goodness. Oh, fun, more reloading. This one should be shorter, hopefully. Maybe not. In the meantime, I might go install Final Cut on my computer so that I can edit this. Alright, that's installed. Yay! That really should be all you need from this portion of it. Next thing, turn off your iPod Touch. Alright, when it's off, unplug its USB cord. It knows it's unplugged. Growl, if you don't have it, get it, it's awesome. Hold down the home button again and plug it in. This puts the iPhone into recovery mode. Yeah. Alright, now that we're here, iTunes pops up. You don't really need iTunes. Open Terminal. It's found in Applications, Utilities, Terminal. So just open that up. Type in sudo su. You'll need to put in your password. Don't worry if nothing shows up. That's a security measure. And now what you're going to want to do is call directory. So type in cd space and then find this folder where you have all these files saved, and just take the actual folder, just drag it in. Really simple. Hit enter. And now you're in that folder. So what you want to do is, you see what the files are called. So you want to do /runme.sh. Type that in, hit enter. Ensure you have this screen on your iPod Touch, and now hit enter. Alright, Open iBoot has been loaded. Now what you want to do is hit the power button once. Now, get ready to hit the home button, but as soon as you hit the home button, you're going to want to hit the enter button on the computer. So it's going to be like boom, boom.